Title: The Magic Paintbrush.
Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills and lush green forests, there lived a young girl named Lily. Lily had a passion for painting that was as bright as the sun and as deep as the ocean. Every day, Lily would sit by the window of her little cottage, sketching the beauty of nature with her colorful paints. But there was something special about Lily's paintings. They seemed to come to life with a magical sparkle. One day, as Lily was wandering through the woods, she stumbled upon an old, dusty paintbrush lying beneath a gnarled oak tree. Curious, she picked it up and examined it closely. It was unlike any paintbrush she had ever seen before, with a shimmering handle and bristles that seemed to glow with an otherworldly light. Excitedly, Lily took the paintbrush home and began to paint with it. To her amazement, every stroke of the brush brought her paintings to life in ways she could never have imagined. Trees danced, flowers sang, and animals leaped off the canvas with joy. Word of Lily's magical paintings spread throughout the village, and soon people from far and wide came to see her incredible creations. But with great power came great responsibility, and Lily knew she had to use her gift wisely. One day, a wicked sorcerer heard of Lily's magic paintbrush and became consumed with jealousy. Determined to steal the paintbrush for himself, he snuck into Lily's cottage under the cover of night and snatched it away. Heartbroken, Lily woke up the next morning to find her beloved paintbrush missing. Determined to get it back, she set off on a journey to confront the sorcerer and reclaim what was rightfully hers. After a long and perilous journey, Lily finally reached the sorcerer's dark and dreary castle. With courage in her heart and paintbrush in hand, she faced the sorcerer in a dramatic showdown. Using all her skill and bravery, Lily outwitted the sorcerer and reclaimed her magic paintbrush. With a triumphant smile, she returned home to her village, where she continued to paint beautiful and enchanting scenes that filled the hearts of all who beheld them. From that day on, Lily's paintings became even more magical, spreading joy and wonder wherever they went. And though many years have passed since then, the legend of Lily and her magic paintbrush lives on, inspiring artists and dreamers for generations to come. And so, dear children, remember that with a little bit of magic and a whole lot of imagination, anything is possible.